moisturiser, and I'm just going to go back in with, this is the MAC Strobe Cream. I've used this before, it's one of my old school favourites. Have you ever used Strobe Cream when you were younger? Yeah. It's classic. I got it the other day and I was like, this is the most classic thing ever. And I'm literally just going to buff that all over the skin. For the brows today, I'm going to go with brow cream. So it's just like a liquid. And what I'm going to do is just put a mascara spoolie in. What you do is you brush it through the brows. It really helps to keep the brows up. So as you brush through it, it's kind of like a liquid and you want it to dry. It leaves the brows feeling super fluffy. So now I've just brushed up the brows, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Brown powder. So the great thing about the brow cream, it kind of just leaves the brows just like a little bit like hard and crispy, so it really means that it's going to stay all day. This is one of my new favourite eye products. And I'm just going to fill in the brows and just bring it down the front as well. Just to prep the eyes and to shape the brows, I'm going to go with the NARS Creamy Concealer. I'm just using a flat matte brush. I'm just blending it all over the eye, just take away any discoloration and make sure the eye shadow stays. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Emerald Obsessions Huda Beauty palette, which is a really beautiful green palette. I'm just going to firstly go in with the matte shade. I'm just going to be using this as a transition colour. And I'm just going to be blending that into the crease. I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury cream shadow. So this is called the Peachykeen, which is a really nice like dark bottle green. And I'm going to be buffing that all over the eye. I thought it just gives a really nice shimmery colour. I love these creams. Have you ever used these ones? The cream ones. They're so nice. They're really easy to work with. So you can always use it with your finger. I'm just going to be applying it with a brush. I can barely feel it. I know, man. To add a little bit of darkness to the corner, I'm going to go back in with the Huda Beauty palette. I'm just going to be using this dark green. I'm going to just be buffing that in the corners. It's slightly shimmery as well, but I just really want that really nice festive feel. You can see that these colours just blend beautifully together. Okay, just to clean away any of the fallout, I'm just going to take a clean white. I don't want anything too sharp in the corners. I'm just going to take it away before we add a little bit of shadow underneath. And then still using the same palette, I'm going in with a slightly lighter green. If you just look down this way for me, I'm just going to be blending that into the corners just to really brighten it up. It's a really beautiful green colour. Have you ever done green on yourself before? No. It's a really rare colour that people do.
Yeah.
And it's always quite hard to do. Like I feel like you've really got to think about it. I always get slight green eyeshadows, I'm like, how am I going to do that? Just go underneath, I'm going to be taking the flat brush. And I'm going to be using the darker green that we used just in the corners. Just going to be blending it underneath, about halfway down. With the slightly light colour that we use on the top, I'm just going to be applying that in the corners. And just blending it out with a flat brush. So next I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. I'm just going to be using the Inglot Black Gel Liner. I do just want to put this liner on a little bit of an angle to really lift the eye. I'm just going to go back and forth until I'm really happy with the shape. I'm actually just using an art brush now because I just find it so much easier. So I've already done this eye, and what I've just done this to demonstrate that if you just look down for me, I've done it on quite a big angle, just because I really want to get that beautiful lift. Now I'm going to go in with, these are my Laura Mercier eyelash colours. I've spoken about them before and I literally obsessed with them. I'm just going to really have like lashes curled. And then I'm going to add a coat of mascara, and I'm going to be taking the Marc Jacobs Beauty Mascara. It's quite clumpy, this mascara, I'm not going to lie, so you've just got to be a little bit careful with it. going to coat them lightly before we add the lashes. I'm going to go in with the individual lashes now to the mascara. So I'm just going to start with the 40mm, and I'm going to put these in the middle of Millie's eyes. So I just kind of want the longer ones in the middle and then the slightly shorter ones either side. So I'm going to do about 3 in the middle. And then I'm going to go down to the 12mm ones. These are actually from eBay and they're really similar to some of my favourite eyelashes that I love. But one of my friends recommended these and they're honestly amazing. So those are the 14 ones in the middle. I've just finished doing all the lashes. You can see that it's really brightened up Millie's eyes, and I'm just going to apply the mascara on the bottom. And this is the Urban Decay mascara. So this is a mini version, which is amazing for your kit. I'm going to be using the Tilbury Wonder Glow today and buffing this all over the skin. I just want the skin to look really nice, even, but have a little bit of a glow, and I think this is perfect. I've added a touch of the Rodial skin tint just to give a little bit more coverage. I'm just buffing it all over with one of my MAC fluffy brushes. I find this goes on super easy. For concealer, I'm going to be going in with the NARS Creamy Concealer. I'm buffing that underneath the eyes, creating the eye shape, and also just bringing it down slightly. And also applying a little bit around the chin, just take any redness away. Powder, I'm using the Tilbury Flawless Finish. I'm taking this in shade 1. It's one of my favourite powders. You can see that it just smooths out the skin a little bit and takes away some of the shine. I'm not going to put it all over, but I'm just going to put it in the T-zone. I love that necklace. So good.
Yeah, I got it from my 21st.
I'm going to go into contour now, the cheeks. I'm taking the Sculpt powder by MAC. On slightly fairer skin, I feel like this gives a perfect contour shade, and it also gives a tiny bit of warmth to the skin as well. To add a little bit of colour onto the cheeks, I'm going to be taking the Amber Rose by MAC. Just buffing that on the outer of the cheeks and just blending it up towards the contour.
Sides of the kids have like done it, like the Kardashian Jenner and then like the older Jenners. So
last but not least, I'm just going to And last but not least, I'm going to buff in the Strobe cream that we used first all over the chest, just to add that extra glow.